Okay, so next building draw 1.2. So ito yun guys. So before, after. So ang i-draw natin ito is 1 saka backyard. So di na isali itong mga half. Sa tips, draw the task using right angle tool. Don't forget to draw the small houses at the back. Ito yun. Use E tool to draw simple rectangle. Don't mind the trees that are covering some parts. Okay, so pag mag-draw tayo guys, actual shape ng building. Okay, so unahin natin itong maliit. So E, pangit. Ito na. Bakit pangit? Sensitive talaga yung ano ko. So ganyan lang guys. So pag nag-draw kayo guys, straight tool, straight lang guys ha. Ganyan lang. Sa actual shape ng building. Ganyan guys. Click sa first point, then space. Yan. So next, angle, corner to corner. Uy, bakit? Click sa first point, space. Parang sumubra konti, i-move lang natin. Yan lang. Select tool lang yun guys, yung pag-move ng point. Okay na, submit. Very easy. Thanks.